What's going on, my virtual home? So, how's it going with you? Guys, I am so excited because I have, you guessed it, another unboxing for you. Now, we have an unboxing of a lingerie item that I'm pretty excited about. Man, so guys, we have been reviewing lingerie on the channel. Guys, you're showing really great indications that you would love to see more. So, I am not finna fail you, okay? Now, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and bust open this lingerie package, okay? Um, this is a particular lingerie, let me see, costume. So it's more on the cosplay um, spectrum. Okay. Can you guess what costume is in the bag? Put it in the comments, guys. Let us know if you can guess what costume, based off of what we've been showing. It is something different. What's in the bag? Okay. Let us know your best guess in the comments. And without without further ado, let's go ahead and get this started. Okay. And, all right, so here is the bag. Of course, it is from our trusted partners, Amazon. Of course, I will have the Amazon link in the description, guys, so you can actually go and order this product. Use our links. Every time you use our links, we receive a small commission, guys. It definitely helps us bring you more quality content. Now, let's jump into this bag, okay? Doop, 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 doop. First thing, almost you can't even probably miss, is bra straps. Nah, seriously, there are bra straps in here. They are the um the little plastic bra straps. I'm not even sure if y'all can see those. So those are like the little plastic bra straps. Honestly, these type of bra straps have not always been my favorites, but this is what we have with the costume. Um, if you have bra straps, I'm pretty sure you can um, use them, so that's great. But here we go, the bra straps. All right, next we actually have the really cute little bunny ears. So I'm guessing you guys can have already guessed what type of costume, right? We have the bunny costume. I'm so excited, and I just love these bunny ears. Like, they are so fun. One of the things about the bunny ears, they are adjustable, so you can be like this type of bunny. You can have like a little flirty bunny, you know. Or you could just be the add attention bunny. Or you could just be the what's going on bunny. Okay, no, seriously. I'm gonna have too much fun with these, all right? But yeah, I love the band. I love the plastic band. It actually hides in your hairstyle. Like if you're wearing your hair down, you can easily just kind of use it as like a clip and just kind of like make it kind of hide its way through the style. But yeah, these are adjustable bunny ears. They're of great quality. The cover or the material on them is more like a satin like material, so I'm just like so in love, guys. You can wear these bunny ears with the costume or without. We know that major holiday is coming up, Easter is coming up, so guys, you can have so much Easter fun, or you could just have this as a cosplay costume, or bedroom special. Whatever you want to do with this costume, I think it'd be definitely appropriate. So check us out. Hope I don't distract you guys, but I'm gonna keep the bunny ears on because they're just too fun. All right, so we got the bunny ears. All right, I believe we have two more pieces. So here we have a bow tie. Isn't this getting cute? Bunny ears and the bow tie. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Seriously though, this bow tie is it's adjustable. So it's an adjustable strap right there. And then this part is you can take it off. So it's like a kind of clip on, clip off type of situation. But yeah, guys, this is the bow tie. So far, it looks like it has a good workmanship. That is like the stitch situation of the bow tie. And the straps come in between the stitch situation, which is adjustable, so the bow tie can slide. It's not like pinned in place, which is great. Um, but this is your bow tie, guys. Uh, let's see. Let's see how it fits. It does have an elastic band. So the band is pretty stretchy, which is good. Um, that was something I was concerned about. No concern needed there. So easy fit, easy to adjust. There you go. You see it's coming together. The bunny is out. The bunny is out. Okay. So yeah. So here is the pretty bow tie. All right. Last but not least, we actually have a one-piece bodysuit. I keep holding this upside down. This is actually the bottom. So here's the bodysuit. It is a V-neck bodysuit. This is the place where you would put your straps. The good thing is you can always find different straps. And so far, it looks like the stitching quality is really, really good on this suit. The material is like a satin-like glossy on this side. On the inside, it's also satin-like, so I think it's gonna be feel real comfortable to wear. These are the back bra straps right here. So there is no zipper, so this is kind of a slip-in situation. On the sides, you do have adjustable strings where you can actually adjust it to your tightness, and those are on both sides. Here in the middle section, you do have a snap button, and you have two snap buttons. So this is how it's gonna snap into place. I think this would be really good with some fishnets. So we did review some fishnets. I'm going to put the links to the fishnets uh, as well, guys, because I think this would be really cute with some fishnets, and then you can choose your shoe. But yeah, I think this is like really amazing. So again, this is our bodysuit. That's the front. This is the back. You have your adjustable, replaceable straps. You have your bunny ears, and you have your bow tie, guys. So, if you're looking for a fun cosplay design, guys, um, this is off of Amazon. This is the brand that we are checking out. I think it's really cute. I think the material is of a good quality, guys. I think it is. I love the adjustableness of the bow tie, as the bow tie, as well as the bunny ears, guys. I think the bow tie looks really good. It's kind of high quality, glossy. Um, I'm glad they didn't put like a matted finish on here, so it does stand out. With that being said, guys, y'all are ready. We are ready to be the bunny of the year, okay? Now, with that being said, guys, if you like this video, just like the video. That gives us the indication that you may want to see more content like this. So if you like the video, like the video. Guys, if you want to be a part of our family, we would really, really, really love it if you are. So join the network, subscribe to the channel. If you want, you can let us know that you subscribed in the comments, and we will be happy to love just all over you. Now, guys, there is a bell notification button above. If you hit the bell notification button, every time we drop a video, you're going to be the very first to know. So if you want to be notified as soon as we drop content on this channel, guys, hit the bell notification button and you will be so. With that being said, guys, I am going to see you on the next video.